This is the video for photosynthesis for cell biology for Jake Thompson. To start off here, we have the light reactions. It's within the stroma and it moves through the thylakoid space and the membrane throughout the entire system. To start off here, we have the photon of light. The photon of light is going to come into photosystem 2 with the aid of oxygen evolving complex. It's going to split water into a hydrogen ion and half of an oxygen molecule. And this hydrogen, along with another hydrogen ion, is eventually going to move over here into ATP synthase, and it's going to allow the synthesis of ATP from ADP and another phosphate ion. But if we're following just the light, what's going to happen is the split is going to have an electron, and this moving electron is going to go into plastoquinone, and it's going to keep moving through. It goes through cytochrome B6F complex. It'll move through plastocyanin into the photosystem 1. This photosystem 1, the electron is going to move up, go into ferredoxin, and with the ferredoxin NADP reductase, it's going to turn NADP into a hydrogen ion into NADPH. So this NADPH that's formed over here, and the ATP that's formed over here, it's going to be used for energy to will release the electrons to start in the Calvin cycle. So this is the Calvin cycle right here. What's going to start off is it's going to take 3 carbon dioxide molecules that it'll take in from the atmosphere. With the aid of Rubisco, it's going to form 6 3-phosphoglycerates. With this, you're going to see the ATP and the NADPH are going to give up their energy and they're going to go into their reduced forms. This is going to go down and it's going to make 6 glyceraldehyde 3-phosphates. One of these are going to be used to form half a glucose, so it'll need to go through twice to form at least 1 glucose molecule. 5 of them will actually be recycled back in, and with the aid of 3 ribulose biphosphate molecules, it's going to start back up and go around the circle again until it forms all the glucose that it needs to survive.